Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel The Math Corner, and today in this tutorial we are going to be discussing about the gray matter and the white matter which is present in the brain and the spinal cord. So let's begin. First of all, let's talk about the composition of the gray matter and the white matter. The gray matter is the major component of our central nervous system. It consists of the neuronal cell bodies, the neutrophil, which include dendrites and the unmyelinated axon, the neuroglial cell, which include the astrocyte and the oligodendrocyte, the synapse and the capillaries. While if we talk about the white matter, so the white matter refers to the area of central nervous system that are mainly made up of the myelinated axon, which are also called as a tracts. Now take a close look in this diagram of the transverse section of the brain, as you guys can easily distinguish the gray matter and the white matter. The gray matter appear to be gray in color or light pink in color because of the presence of the capillaries, blood vessel and the neuronal cell bodies in it. And if we talk about the white matter, so the white matter appear to be white and light in color because of the presence of myelin in it. Now let's take a look over the transverse section of the spinal cord. As you guys can see in the spinal cord, the light area or the white area appearing is termed as a white matter, while the central area is termed as a gray matter. Now let me just put these two figures back into one frame. Here they are. Now you guys can easily distinguish that the gray matter is present outside in the brain while it is present inside in the spinal cord. And if we talk about the white matter, so the white matter is present inside in the brain while it is present outside in the spinal cord. There's no need to get confused between what is present inside in the brain and what is present inside in the spinal cord. You have to remember the gray butterflies. If you remember the gray butterfly, you can easily remember these. As you guys can see that the spinal cord have the gray matter which is more like a butterfly in shape. So you have to remember the gray butterfly. If you remember the gray butterfly, you guys can see that the gray butterfly is present in the spinal cord. So the gray matter is inside in the spinal cord. While in the brain, the gray matter is present on the outer side, the opposite of the spinal cord. So by remembering the gray butterfly, you will never get confused between what is present inside and what is present outside. Now the last thing that you should remember is that the gray matter is also called as the substantia grigia and the white matter is also called as the substantia alba. So this was an overview about the gray matter and the white matter of the brain and the spinal cord. I hope you guys understand it. If you do so, then make sure to like and subscribe to the Math Corner.